Friday. It's already been 1 week since we arrived in Australia. Yesterday we hopped on a Greyhound bus out in Brisbane and made our way up about 2 hours to NOOSA. NOOSA is a resort town. People from all over the world come. It's a haven for surfers. It's also school holidays, so the town is particularly buzzing. Today we're gonna go on an excursion. There are only 2 Everglades systems in the world. One of them is the Florida Everglades, and the other is the one that we're gonna visit today. There's only 2.
Habitat NOOSA Everglades, Robin speaking.
I just want to confirm the pickup point and the time.
Where are you staying?
We're at the House Lodge.
Oh, okay, so it's right across the road from House Lodge. So it's on that roundabout there. There's that big bus station
Okay,
there.
right. Thank you.
Thanks, mate. Bye.
Nice, mate.
Thanks, mate.
We met this Korean guy, so Korean, but he could spoke.
Yeah, you can't even spoke.
He's just learning English here in Australia, so he's learning how to say mate. Hey, mate. Yeah, good day, mate. And then he went to Ling and was just like,
I was like, oh, hi, Logan. He was like, hi, mate. Oh, sorry. Hi, how are you? I guess because he's like, oh, she's a girl. I have a problem. My belt doesn't fit on that notch anymore.
oh, losing weight already?
No, it's all that rice.
Hi, May.
Hi, mate. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Hello, who we got?
Mark Robles. It's under Sherling.
Okay, Sherling, 2 of you?
Yeah, it's 2 of
Okay.
us, yeah. Oh, there's a step there.
What?
I didn't realize there was a step there.
Just hold tight, enjoy the trip across, and as we get up there, we'll tell you a few things about the surrounding area.
I think we hit a log.
Because someone tried to show the skipper a photo of a bird and it distracted him.
We got distracted and he hit a log.
Hello!
We are done with our seated cruise. Let's get some antipasti. And grab maybe a little antipasto. Oh. Alright, our bellies are full. It's time to get back on the bus, hey.
J'ai bu un peu trop, je pense.
We all drank a bit too much.
Not we all, just us two.
No, other side. Unless you want to drive the bus. We're back in NOOSA. When we were driving down the road, we just heard this screeching sound that kind of sounded like birds, and then we look outside, hundreds of bats.
Those were
Bats!
not bats.
They were bats. It was like,
That's a bat.
no, that's a bird. The most exciting part of the trip wasn't the cruise itself.
It was the argument
But-
of whether it was bats or not.
It was the walk to the cruise when we spotted our very first kangaroo. This is our last night here in NOOSA, and then it's off to Rainbow Beach tomorrow.
See, that is definitely a bat. Look at them.
Stretch out their little hands, their wings. It's like a skin. It's so fine. It's almost If you hold it up to the light and put your hand, you can see your hand through it. They're, like, people don't like them. I think they're extreme.
They're really cool.
They're so ugly, they're beautiful.
Yeah.
So we're both right then.
We were both right. That lady confirmed it. We're back at Halse Lodge. That was a full day's affair right now, so we're just gonna take it easy. Have some din din. We've got a full week of excursions and adventure coming your way and our way. Let's go.